Happy birthday, Cap.
Why, thank you. Thank you. I feel like America today. America just had a birthday. And let me tell you, I've been thinking, Gilligan's Island, the 4-hour tour, and I'm like, that's just not reality. It is America's reality. It takes us 4 hours to do a load of laundry in a brand new washing machine. I'm telling you right now, that is crazy. So my birthday wish is that America gets back to making good products and washing machines that wash, they used to wash in 30 minutes and dry in 30 minutes, and exponentially as we've gone through generations, it's gotten longer and longer, and well, we're up to 4 hours for a stinking load of laundry, which is crazy. So my birthday update is we don't have a freezer. We have a half a freezer. We bought a Dometic CXV 75DL, blah, blah, blah. I don't know. It's big, 75 liters, two-sided. And well, one side this morning, after we put meat in it, is to 30 degrees, and the other side is at a nice, cool 80 degrees. So that doesn't work. The fridge, there is no fridge because, well, I think the tech misdiagnosed. Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
What was wrong with it? I think it was a $7 fan. So I wake up, we're supposed to be going through the bridge this morning. Now, I went to bed last night at 8:30 because I was exhausted from getting ready for the trip. And I went to bed realizing we are not leaving the dock first thing this morning. There's just no way. We still got to get rid of our mountainous pile of trash. So hopefully, my birthday wish is, Walter, please help us take the trash since we don't have
He'll
a
be here at
vehicle.
8:30 for coffee, so I'll feed him.
Maybe you could sit on Santa Claus's lap.
We got everything to put the live wells together, so that's not going to keep us from leaving the dock. We got the motors all put back together. The air filters, well, none of us think the air filters are good, but there's not really another option because the air filters have to come from Iveco, and I don't know where else to get the air filters. We tried Napa. They really worked hard. Napa guys, if you're looking for hard to get parts, Napa guys are the ones to go to. Here's your problem with that theory. It takes a lot of time, and you have a lot of, I can't get it, and so you need those customers that are easy. So when you need an easy part, go to Napa. Keep them in business, and we will have old timers we can actually go ask real questions to. I know. Amazing, America. Amazing. Absolutely amazing. So happy birthday. And enjoy your day. We're not leaving the dock this morning. Hopefully it'll
Before
be just
midnight.
like when we picked the boat up. We will leave this evening
Right off into
right
the
off
sunset.
into the sunset out of, well, we're cleaning the strainers like we could do it every 3 days, honestly.
Disgusting.
You could probably do it every single day if you were just real OCD. We try to go as long as we can until there's a problem with the AC. Oh, and let me tell you this.
Oh, AC.
While I was gone, the AC went to HPF downstairs, which is an important AC, and when I heard, I said, have the tech clean everything. I
Well,
said,
first we did the
things.
things.
I'm pretty sure it's at the water pump. So they gave me a $1,500 quote for a brand new AC water pump.
Because it was something about the volts or the amps.
Something about the volts or the amps were off, which let me tell you, this is your problem. They don't know what that means. They've got zero clue what any of that stuff means, okay? I'm simple. Is it getting water? Probably not, because so far the ACs, it has been, since we've been here, bi-weekly, maybe bi-weekly, and bi-weekly we're having to clean the strainers. And then when you pull the basket out, it's beautiful, right? You pull the basket out. Well, this is all pluff mud and fluffy stuff, so as soon as you pull it out, you have an explosion in there, and the whole thing is just nasty. You drain it 100%, but you still get stuff in the intake side, and so you're washing that to the pump. Well, I came back, cleaned everything out, and guess what? The AC kicked right on. So that was a $1,500 bill.
But it didn't
It didn't?
clean the pumps and kick right on. It was like
Okay.
5 hours of chasing.
Oh, I totally agree. I did my
Okay.
job.
Yeah.
I did my job.
Yes,
I
you
mean,
did.
like, people are coming in here and they're $175 just for walking on the boat, right? Every time they walk on the boat.
$150, yeah.
$150. So they're $150 just to walk on the boat, and they can't diagnose anything correctly.
Had barnacles in there.
Oh yeah,
Barnacles, crabs, all kinds of
Yeah.
wildlife.
all sorts of stuff. But America, we got to do better with our products.
Service.
Our products, our service with a smile. I can't tell you how many people I go into businesses and I think, you don't like your job. That's all I think. You don't like your job and you're horrible at it.
Just listen. And bring stuff in to you just for you to look at. Listen to me. I know what I want.
She knows what she wants.
Sorry.
Now, I have found what works better in America is walk in and go, I need this, and I don't know what it is. Just play totally dumb. Just dumb yourself down to the level. You know why? Because people take offense. Well, you don't know better than I know. I work here. Well, yeah, I might. You might just learn something if you pay attention. It's not the end of the world. Always be trying to learn every day. Yesterday I learned that we were not leaving this morning. Like everyone else on the boat we're leaving in the morning.
No.
I'm thinking, there is no
We are not
we're
paying
leaving
dock
in the
rent on this
morning.
dock again. That is today.
So we got to be gone by the end of today. So if we can get rid of the trash, we pretty much everything's tidied up. We've got tools and stuff to put away, and everything else. It's going to be reasonably weather for not being organized till probably Saturday. And on Saturdays we're going to be rolling in 6-footers, and then it works right back down the next week. It'll be 2 to 3 foot seas out there, which means like this basically, pretty calm and flat. The beginning of this week and then next week. And so we're hoping to drift. Like everyone's like, well, how fast are you going to get up north? I plan to drift it, and I keep, they keep giving me times like 5 days, and I'm like, oh, hell no. That's not enough time. I'd like a couple of weeks at minimum of just drifting and enjoying life. That's my birthday wish.
There you go.
You guys have an amazing year and an amazing birthday on your special birthday day, and we will talk to you later.